Hey! Hey man, what's up? Hope you're doing well. New recording day. Morrison already started. Morning, Morrison!
What's up?
What's up? Because we got a long day and I gotta unload this. I already stacked this up. We got a lot of Christmas decorations. Somehow I'm unable to get this wedged in here. It was a good idea when I put it in. But to get it out, the Christmas tree, is kind of a pain. So that's gonna be a challenge.
It's a big tree.
I like this one. I was in the field getting this one because I think that's the way it should be. Let me put it up. Isn't that a nice tree?
So it's time for the big piece.
It's time for the big boy, and the big boy goes on early in the morning. So we got all day to cook this. And this is like the play-doh version of butchers. Do it yourself at home. That's the coolest part. Taking off the fat cap, making that brisket look good. And when you got such a large brisket, you're not that worried about cutting off a little bit. Almost a quarter of a cow, except for that leg.
And what you're going to do with it after?
We're gonna smoke it. This is a brisket with extra. And now, it's like the cool thing is now you can really see how the briskets build up with that breast muscle running all that way through. And then normally they would just like cut the ribs off and then have this part be the brisket. This would be your brisket, this part. And as you can see here, there's still this layer of fat in between the ribs and the breast meat, the breast muscle, and the fat that goes along that, and that sits in between the brisket, and that's why people like the brisket cut so much, because that fat, no matter how lean your cut of beef is, it's always there, and it's always going to be making sure your brisket turns out juicy. So time for brisket. If 4 would eat brisket, it would look like this.
What's up with the whole Thor thing, the lady?
You introduced it.
No, you introduced the hammer.
I'm just an innocent bystander. I'm not a genius.
He introduced the hammer.
I just bring the hammer down.
You're just a big Marvel nerd. Secretly, you're a big Marvel nerd.
This was I was trying to prevent, and it just happened. Freaking bones. Freaking bones, man. Never ever have to do double layers. That's why I buy this. It costs a pretty penny, but... So far, things are going crazy. Morrison, how do you feel about that?
I don't know. It's not my. This is not my space. It's like only my workspace. You live here. It's like box after box, delivery after delivery, people after people, meeting after meeting.
People think it's only barbecue. It's just barbecue. It's not just barbecue. There's a lot going on. Like, should we show them what we got?
Yeah.
Which delivery?
Only the delivery.
Only a delivery. But it's a good thing. I'm really happy about this delivery. I'm happy about every delivery that we get. But this one is in particularly a nice delivery. I really enjoy the fact that this came today. Let me show you what it is. It's a big freaking box. Look at that. But inside this big freaking box, there is a freezer. And you all know by now, I have a freezer problem. So this is the old freezer. It's been here for 2 years now. And it works like a charm. But now I unloaded a lot of it. So this is like an empty version of this freezer. But like one brisket, and this whole thing is filled up. I could maybe only have, well, 4 or 5 briskets in here. And then it's full. So I have this fridge, which is a big 1-door fridge. But look at what I can fit in there. That's like a whole lot of stuff. Like a whole case of beer goes in like it's nothing. And now I have a freezer right there which is the size of this fridge, but then 2 times with 2 doors. So that's awesome, but we can't unpack it right now because we gotta record another video. So we have to put that off, put that on hold. So I come back and I wanted to continue recording the video, but now my cameraman's gone. Do you know where he is? What's going on in the world? Dogs ignoring me, cameraman's walking off. The sun never fails me. Well, that's not entirely true either in the Netherlands.
So this is what keeps on happening. Pitmaster cooks something up, no meat involved, not yet. And I'm just thinking, oh, there's actually meat involved, but yeah. not much. And I'm just thinking, wow, man, I need to do this at home. Tell us, what is it?
It's totally healthy. We got like this is gonna be a 1-pan steak dish that you can make during the week. Like every single day, all the week, you can make this.
My girlfriend has like a really strict diet, and there's absolutely nothing involved right now that she can't have.
You can eat out of this pan, and you got no dishes. Like only the 1 pan.
And that's awesome.
Dinner time! Ooh yeah! Ooh yeah! And look who walks onto the set. It's like never ever can I single-handedly eat the whole dish on my own. I always have to share it. It's like having brothers and sisters which are very greedy and needy. I am the boss. I need to go first. Not you, me. No, I. There's no I in team. We're a team, but I eat first. No. If there's a dog trainer watching this, what should I do?
What are you doing?
Just look at that. Isn't she beauty? This is what makes it great to be outside. Like if you're in an office all day, you don't get to see this during the work. Got some time. We gotta wait for the brisket. It's resting now. It's done. So we gotta give it another half hour or so. And why not unbox our freezer? Unbox our freezer.
Can't you just be a normal person and buy like a normal freezer?
You know the answer.
It's like it's gotta be the biggest.
It's gotta be the biggest that we can roll around. I like everything on wheels. The good news is, this is the easiest unboxing ever. We just need to lift this off, the card box off. It is not a 1-person job.
Well.
It's time. It is time. The magic moment is here.
Wait, you're just gonna unplug it just like that?
I'm just unplugging it like no dead rats there? No. Oh.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh. Let me show you what the real problem is. Just say stop when I'm there.
Yeah? Stop. Oh no.
If we cut like a piece out of this beam.
Yeah, we should.
I think we get a 10 for the effort.
Yeah.
I think we get a minus.
For execution.
For execution. Well, I'll just plug back in the old freezer.
Next week, in Roel.
In the sequel, part 2. Next week's Jim's here. And when Jim's here, we'll solve all problems. Maybe, I can't wait till next week. I just want to show you, like with this brisket. And this is a big brisket, by the way, like proper size brisket, 5 kilograms. And let me show you how easily it's going to disappear into this. Look at it. I can easily fit 3 Wagyu briskets right there. And to be honest, if you're a Wagyu brisket, you deserve a freezer like this.
if you hypothetically are a brisket,
Yes, if
you deserve a, yeah.
If you're
You're speaking from the point of view of the brisket.
Yes, that's it.
Okay.
If I were a brisket, I wouldn't want to be in this dump. It's gonna be so awesome when it's done, when that freezer is right here, and look at it, it's matching with the
Yeah, I want to see that. I want to see that whole chrome wall of well, basically of shame almost, because you have so much meat. It's the chrome wall of shame.
No, this is the chrome wall, and I'm gonna be in front of it like this, protecting it. Actually, I'm calling out Guga.
Yeah, show your fridge.
Show your fridge. No, I saw his fridge.
Yeah?
Yeah, he had one of those Samsung fridges, not a Pro fridge.
A show of your fridge.
He doesn't have a better fridge than we do.
This is gonna be a fridge showdown.
This I already won. Come on, this is like, that's my freezer, this is my fridge, and if it's not enough, come. These are technically fridges as well. And this, if you're a Wagyu, 100% full with Wagyu, this is where you want to be. And then if you're worried if I have enough fridges already, no, I don't. Because here, in my kitchen, there's another fridge. And if you think, that's it, no, there are more fridges. What do you think?
Next topic.
Next topic. This was a phenomenal brisket, absolutely insane. And well, I'm totally filled up and I haven't eaten half of it yet. It's like, I think I may have eaten half a kilogram. I'm loaded. Whew. I'm gonna get a day of rest and then you and me. No, it's not, it just feels like an ending. It's not an ending. Just come with me. Look at this new fresh haircut. My wife does my haircuts. Off to Rotterdam this morning. And well, that's it. Long drive ahead. Like long for the Netherlands. So 1.5 hours. A little bit more maybe. Depends on if we get any traffic jams. Let's get the show on the road. Just arrived in Rotterdam. Okay, let's check this place out. We're about to get. Are we getting started? Is it like how much? How long for?
3 minutes when you're done. Follow me at minutes.
In my experience, it's not going to be 3 minutes. We're at the set currently of Barbecue Street TV show that we're doing. So this is the crew prepping.
Hi.
Now they're pretending to work all day. So
Pretending.
setting up the cameras, but the beautiful set. Look at that. That's kind of cool, right? The cameras are here. The cameras are bigger than the last time that I was here.
No, you're shrunk.
Oh, I thought they were growing.
No. Yeah, it is.
Yeah, they're getting bigger. Definitely getting bigger. But it's kind of like an awesome setup. We got like the show right there. So this is the whole look of it, the setup, and that's where I'm gonna be, that spot. That's what it's gonna look like, and we're gonna record 3 episodes today for this TV show. We got a chef here, but the chef's not right here, and he did some prepping. So we got chuck stew. It's gonna be really tasty. So look at that, pork belly roll. All kinds of really tasty stuff. But the cool thing is that we're currently at the restaurant called Black Smoke from a Dutch pitmaster in the Netherlands. And I haven't been here before, but it's like it looks like a really awesome place. We will do the tour later on when things get started up. So the chef came in. This is Paul.
Hi guys.
You've seen Paul before if you followed the vlog, but Paul is doing the actual cooking. So if it looks good, Paul did it. I'm just the show cook. Of course, I come up with the recipes and he works them out. And it's basically to make everything as streamlined as possible, because these guys got a lot of crew, big crew, and they're doing a lot of work. So they can't have if too much downtime is not good. So basically, then you gotta have the chef. That's important. You're kind of cooking it twice, so it's not like you didn't cook it, but it's actually happened.
Dat is wel eens halfweg.
Yeah, but it's kind of impressive. It's bigger than last time. Just finished the second episode of the TV shooting, and it looks pretty okay. Pretty happy with the results.
Mooi.
Quiche, little fish, sea bass. Thumbs up.
Gaan we er nog even emotioneel over lullen?
Now afterwards, when I'm really like happy with the end result, then they always want to do the intro. That's the difficult part. The hardest part of making TV is the intro. So far, it's going really well, and I really love the new scenery. The first images are coming in, and we get to see it. And yeah, great setup. Great place to cook, very easy. I'm pretty satisfied so far. So now we did 2 episodes, we got to do 1 more. I don't know what time it is, but I think we're now in the afternoon, maybe 3:30, 4 o'clock. So probably gonna have another 2 hours to 2.5 hours to go. So it's gonna be after dinner, I think we're gonna be done. Video bomb. See, these guys get jackets from their bosses.
Let's go!
Yeah, that's what they do. At least we have fun. We're done! We're done!
Hey!
Hey!
Well done!
Well done.
No, medium.
Medium rare?
Yeah, medium.
Half baked. Half baked. But very tasty, right?
Yeah, that's for sure.
So, thank you.
You were amazing! Thank you so much.
Thank you guys. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.